Hello, good morning, guys. This is Naga Smile Trader again. So I'm making another video today. So today is like 18 March of 2025, and the market is already open. Also, at the same time, I have made my entry now. So today my selection of stock is like under KEC International, and so I've actually like make a quite aggressive, let's say, first candle. I'm actually like making my entry in the first candle. So as you can see, the first candle is about to close, and wait, yeah, so the first candle is about to close. It's just some few seconds left. We, as of now, we are getting a profit of like 3k right now, but I'm actually like still holding for the position because what I see is like a trend line above the bullish trend line. So I'll maintain for a little while. My stop loss is at this level. Okay, so this is my stop loss, and if actually the market closes above this level, actually right now it's yeah, so the level which is R1, as you can see, this R1 level, if it closes above that, then that's when I'll still be holding, let's say, and we will also like set a target of this. But if this candle couldn't close above it, then we might have to close, I guess. So but I'll just be holding on and also keep on trailing the stop loss. So let's wait. And at the same time, my position for hedging for this position is, I actually like previously what I do is like I usually wait for the expiry, but since Nifty reacts a little different to be compared with Bank Nifty, so this strategy I have been using on Bank Nifty and wait till the expiry. But Nifty is a little quite different. I've been like testing this for almost 2 months. So I am thinking to actually like close whenever I get a profit. So my target is at least below 40. So if this comes below 40, then that's when I think I'll exit. Else I'll just be holding on for a while. Let's see, and let's see how the market also reacts for today. So yeah, that's how it is. My trade as of now is, let's wait. So yeah, the previous candle couldn't actually closes above this, but with the big candle on Nifty 50, as you can see, let's hope that this actually candles goes up or reaches this level. At least let it close above the previous candle body. If that's the case, then I will be comfortable holding on for the trade a little longer. So yeah, lately I have been facing a lot of losses because of like trading with the option buyings and stuff. The other day I think I lost 1.7 lakhs. Oh no, 1.3 lakhs, just because of that trading on hero zero trades as well as over trading. That's sometimes we have to also face those kind of losses. So anyway, also let me show you. Last night I tried on trading on this BTC, Bitcoin, and if I just input like 10k, and I thought of just testing out, and that's when I wiped off my capital, even just last by, let's say in one night I just completed, or let's wait. This candle is actually like almost trying to close above it. Let's hope that it doesn't get that much of pullbacks. So yeah, I'll show you my meta account on this particular trade. So this is the Bitcoin chart which I set off, and I actually set off this line. I thought of like trading from here, but since I made my input here, my my target was actually like somewhere around Yeah, so let's wait. So my target was at this level. What the, wait, I can't, what, I can't anyway, my target was at this level, and the market just came halfway, and then it gets reversed. And after the pull up of this gap, at this point I wasn't actually looking at the market because I was already asleep. And then after the breakout of this level, it came another for retest, and then it goes up with a high volatility volume, let's say. And so yeah, I lost all my stop loss was around this level. So this is how it is. I lost everything. I'll just show you on my history. Okay, so yeah, basically I just input 100. I don't know if you can see, but so this is just the amount of dollars I just input, the deposit, and then in just one night I happens to wipe off this capital. So Bitcoin, this is kind of risky, and so yeah, I don't think I'll be trading on Bitcoin for some time, because I'm not that comfortable in Bitcoin because so much of volatilities, and I don't know, I'm still learning from Bitcoin, and I won't be putting any kind of amount, or like say the money in trading for this delta, but or let's say like in Meta 5. But let's say I'll try to also continue trading for stocks on a daily basis like I have been doing. So yeah, why I'm confident on holding this is because at least the market, these zones were the seller zones, let's say the support or the, yeah, so this zone is one of the important thing, because as part of the market, see 1, 2, 3, and then boom, like it actually crosses or break through this level. So 1, 2, and 3 times the market tries to break this level 3 times, and now it actually breaks. So even for this particular line, for this particular zone, it actually breaks this. So we might see a good potential of like moving upwards for today's market. So let's wait for it. Okay, you see, I don't know why he's reacting such a way. Why are you coming down, guys? Nifty is going well. Even GOT since is going quite well. I don't have a trade on this, so I think I'll just close this because I'm not going to enter in that stock. So yeah, let's see. Okay, good rejection. It's good enough. Alright, last 5 minutes candle. If we actually like closes at this level, then we are getting at least 1:1, so good enough. But okay, one confirmation at this point is like it actually breaks the trend line, below line. So I don't know if we should continue holding on to this or not. Even on this zone, like see the market came to retest at this, tries to break this R2 level, but it couldn't. So last 3 minutes. Let's see how the market reacts on this. So this position, I don't know guys if I should close this, because for the last 2 months what I've noticed is like on Nifty is because it, of course, for the last 1 month, let's say the market is like kind of on a bullish, oh sorry, bearish trend, and then that's when I input the, I mean like I sell off this call option, and then somehow on the last day of the expiry the market actually like get a little rebound, and then that's when my profit was already gone, and also the you know so guys, like I have already exited the position of the hedging which I have been holding on. So this is the one. Let me show you on the order list. So yeah, I have exited at like 46.75. So in total we made a profit of like 9.2, 9.2. And currently what I'm doing is I just bought another lot for this particular position. Why I did this is because based on the last 2 weeks, last couple weeks I have been facing something like this. Okay, so the premium comes down to somewhere around like 30, and then it during the expiry it goes up to 170 to 190, something like that. So because of that only, I'm just trying to see how the market will react on based on this. So yeah, because of those reasons I just bought this, and even though if I have to lose this, I'll just lose somewhere around like 20 points. I'll just exit at somewhere like 20 or 15, something like that. So that's fine with me. I'll take the risk of that. So I will exit this position for now. What I'm doing is I have like set an order of like 150 points based on it's a high hopes that the market will give us this, but that's fine. Even though if I don't get, it's just a minimal quantity, so it's okay. And also for this position, why I am not exiting this is because let's say if this particular comes to green, then that's when I'll exit. If not, also that's fine, because I just have to lose only 13 points, so that's quite okay with me. And yeah, so for KC like stock, I don't know, the market is not actually like moving along. This stock is not moving along with Nifty, because so for Nifty actually like it's reaching at its peak, and I think the market will give us this target for sure for today. But KC is not moving accordingly, so I don't know. I'll have to exit it, I guess. Why I'm like reconsidering my uh, position is, I think I'll just have to exit if the market get actually like give us this no target. If this closes above, if any candle closes above this, then that's when I'll just hold. But if that's not the case, then I'll just exit it. So for now, we were actually like in the morning we were having a profit of like 4K, but now we are facing a loss of like 600. So this is how it is. The market actually uh, reacts on its own, this stock, because these are the individual stocks, and so we can predict anyway. But my setup, we really had a good setup, to be honest, in the morning, even though we like missed out some points, but that's fine. With this particular zone, I think the market will get a support, and then tries to move up. So let's wait for it. Yeah, I think that should be all for today's video. If there is anything to update or anything as such that like there are some movements on these two positions, or even this on KC, then that's when I'll make a video. If not, then that should be all for today's video. Thank you so much, guys.